So you're thinking of putting your house on the market, but you're wondering how long it'll take for you to get to the closing table. Well, this is the episode for you. So how long does it actually take to sell a house? Well, the real answer is it depends. If you are listing your house today and get an offer today, you will most likely spend 30 days to get to the closing table. That's how much time it'll take for financing to go through. And that's why they normally give you a 30-day time frame for financing, inspections, and appraisals. Here's the thing though, selling a house is not that simple, and finding a buyer can take time. So let's talk about a few things that could cause your home to be on the market longer. The first one is buyer demand. In a market where buyers are more cautious about home purchases, there will be lower demand, and that will in turn cause homes to sit on the market longer. Another thing that can affect your time on market is your price point. Higher value homes normally have a smaller buying pool and naturally just spend more time on the market. The condition of your home can also affect the time that it spends on market. Some markets favor homes that need more repair, while others do not. Also, some buyers prefer homes that are move-in ready while others don't, and vice versa. Another thing that could affect your time on market is your pricing strategy, which is totally different from price point, which we mentioned earlier. Pricing strategy has to do with how you are pricing your home based on your niche market. If you're overpricing your home, you could be killing your sale altogether. Now let's talk about poor marketing or limited exposure. Whether you're selling with a real estate agent or by yourself, you will want to make sure that you have professional photos and nowadays, professional video. Not getting your house in front of the right eyes could make a world of difference in how long your house spends on the market. You'll want to have more than just the normal websites and a sign in front of your house. You'll want to make sure that even those who don't pass by your house are able to know that your house is up for sale. Location can also greatly affect how long it takes to sell your house. Even the most beautiful property in a less desirable neighborhood can spend longer on the market. Something else that can affect how long your home stays on market is if it's not well staged or if it doesn't show well in person. So you've taken great photos, you have great videos, and you're getting people to come into the property, but when they come there, they are thrown off. This is something that you'll want to make sure to fix to ensure that people's online experience is heightened by their in-person experience. HOA and zoning restrictions. If your home is in a neighborhood with an HOA or with strict zoning restrictions, you may find that your buyer pool is smaller. Most buyers like to avoid homes with an HOA. A highly competitive market can also be a reason why your home would stay on the market longer. What does this mean for you as a seller? It means that there are plenty of homes on the market and buyers are more cautious, which means they have a ton of options. And if your home is not standing out, then they may go with a different option. Flip side of that coin are homes that are very unique. If you built your home to tailor to a specific taste, you may find that it will take time to find your perfect buyer. The last one that we'll cover today is poor negotiation. Inflexibility to work with the buyer to make sure that the terms are favorable to both sides can cause your home to stay on the market longer. Those are just a few things that could affect how long it would take to sell your home. If you have any questions or if you have an experience that maybe I didn't mention today, go ahead and put it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Bye for now.